So I was going to get stuff done yesterday, but then Eclipse updated and killed itself, and so I spent most of the day trying to get it to work again. And I don't really know what was wrong with it, but whenever I go to the Google page to install Android stuff, there's a bundle with this in it, which is really just Eclipse, again. And for some reason this version works. And so I got everything reset up, and I downloaded all of the Android stuff again, because I need it for libgdx, and now I can do stuff, and so... Where is it? Oh, there it is. So yeah, there's that. Which is just some reused code from another thing I was working on. So now I'll actually begin working on the actual game. That's not quite right. Which is really weird, because some of the environment tiles are correct, but others are just warped, so... So basically everything looks like it's off by 1. See how there's like part of a rug and then it has part of a different rug? But if I subtract only the X by the amount, the width of the entire tile stuff, but not the Y coordinate, it tends to look okay, though these are off too. The whole map's been moved over. So I'm wondering if it's the map editor or the map converter thing I wrote, or if it... Oh yeah, see, look over here. So this row right here is supposed to be on the very end over here. It's the doorway to the bedroom. So I'm trying to figure out why everything's offset funny. I figured out what the problem was. Lua arrays don't start at 0. They start at 1. So I got the maps working after I fixed the Lua map converter that I wrote. I have my project set up so that it will scale and place all the graphics appropriately based on what resolution you started up in. Since I'm making the graphics the minimum possible dimensions, when it all scales up it will be kinda pixely, but that's in style right now, right guys? Anyway, I can control the Santa sprite here, and those other characters were from another game I'd hoped to make eventually, but now that I see Santa gets the map and them, I kind of want to redo the sprite styles and make them bigger and have black outlines. I've set up an IndieDB page, so if you have one too, make sure to add me to your friends list. Interested in watching my older devlogs? Here's a few.